Granules India Limited is a Hyderabad-based pharmaceutical company. We are vertically integrated from APIs, PFIs, which are the directly compressible grades, and finished dosages. We have about 18,000 tons of API capacity, 18,000 tons of PFI capacity, and 18 billion finished dosages, oral solid dosage, that is tablet capacity, all based in Hyderabad. Our turnover last year was around 650 crores. We are a company that's been growing quite well over the last 5 years. Our 5-year CAGR is 30%, and our margins have been also growing in line with our revenues. This year we expect our growth to be in line with previous year's growths of around 30-35%, and we expect to sustain those kinds of growth levels this year. Some of the highlights of what we are doing this year are that we have added new capacity in our granulation. Our granulation capacity has increased from 9,600 tons to 18,000 metric tons. So this is a huge capacity, one of the largest granulation capacities anywhere in the world. Our finished dosages capacity is going from 6 billion tablets to 18 billion tablets. That's the capacity, that's a tripling of capacity, and that should come online, and we should start seeing benefit of both these expansions in Q4 of 2013, the current fiscal year, 12-13. In terms of our markets, we have a strong presence in North America, Europe and Latin America. These three markets, North America is about 30% of our business, Europe or Western UK and Western Europe is about 30% of our business, and Latin America is about 20% of our business today. We intend to get into additional markets, new geographies such as Eastern Europe, put a greater emphasis on some of the emerging markets, Southeast Asia and so on, and also India. We intend to put more emphasis on all these markets, particularly as we add capacity. Currently we have 5 major molecules for us. Paracetamol, which is significant, more than 50% of our revenues comes from paracetamol as API, PFI or finished dosages. Metformin is another very important molecule for us that constitutes almost 25% of our business, and then ibuprofen, guaifenesin and metocarbamol. So we are very focused on these 5 molecules. We intend to add capacity in metformin because it's a molecule that's growing very strongly. In addition to all these, we will be adding other molecules, which is at an earlier stage and probably too premature to discuss it at this point. But we will be making an announcement about these new molecules and new growth options that we are generating internally.